Hey there! Thank you for watching the video about Chrome browser DevTools. DevTools are a powerful set of tools helping web developers to build better applications. In this video, we are going to learn about how to test your website in the responsive mode. What exactly responsive mode is? Your website is working fantastic in a resolution of your, say, monitor or your laptop. But how about when you browse the website on a tablet or mobile devices? You don't want things to be broken too much. You want to find them and test them early and then fix it. The Chrome browser DevTools provides all the utilities for you to do it, right? So let's get into that. Now, to get started, the first thing to do is to bring the developer tools over here. For that, we'll right click and click on Inspect. Here goes the developer tool. So we are going to learn about the device listing, like what are the devices we can actually test this particular website out. Now at the top, you are getting this particular icon. Click on this. This is called toggling device toolbar. So once I click on this one, what I see a new interface where the website is now showing in form of a mobile. And what I am seeing, it's in the dimension of a iPhone, one editions of iPhone. I can always click on this to change the orientation and see how my website will appear in a landscape mode. And this is for the portrait mode. And I see like the Bugfinder website is fitting quite well. So it means it is responsive. Definitely it is fitting the need of a smaller resolution. Now you might want to kind of change it. So change it, click on here and then go to many other options that are available by default. For example, I can quickly go to iPad mini or iPad Air or a Samsung Galaxy or whatever you want. Let's try about iPad Air. So it is about iPad Air where it is exactly this particular dimension, and I see that the website is kind of responsive enough to even fit to this dimension. You can again test it out by orienting it. Yeah, in the orientation also it is kind of fantastically working. So here test is successful. In some of the website, it might be the fact that test is not becoming successful and you want to kind of fix the responsiveness. Along with that, you can actually change each of this dimension by editing this one and put your own dimensions and try to see like, you know, in a particular resolution how it works. And also what you can do is like you can test with throttling. What exactly throttling means? For example, if your users are kind of residing in a place where the network bandwidth, internet bandwidth is kind of slow, and their application actually gets rendered with a lot of delay, you can actually emulate that as well, right? In the mid-tier or the low-end mobile, how the things are going to be. So you can actually test that in the resolution wise and the network wise. Now, the last thing that I want to tell you guys in this video is like there are a few more options under these three dots. Once you click on that, the thing that I like is about the rulers. The ruler actually show what is the exactly ruling point that we are actually talking about. It's a perfect ruler. Apart from that, you also get to see like media queries. This is another very useful example. By media query, we actually it's a CSS attribute. It's a CSS media query through which we control the responsiveness. You can actually check what are the media queries are applied on this one. Because of this, we are able to achieve responsiveness on this website. So please go ahead and start playing around with this device listing. Start playing around with all the settings or the configurations available there. I hope you will find it really, really useful and you will figure out maybe something really, really new and interesting fact. So was it useful? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we keep sharing such videos. Alright, so stay well and we'll be back very soon with the next video. Thank you.